On behalf of all the people who have assembled here, I would merely like to mention, if I may, that our unanimous attitude is one of lasting gratitude for what our friend has done for us today. And therefore, I would simply like to say, thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's the nicest thing that anyone's ever done for me. I may sound double Dutch, but my delight is such. I feel as if a losing war's been won for me. And if I had a flag, I'd hang me flag out to add a sort of final victory touch. But since I left me flag at home, I'll simply have to say thank you very, very, very much. Thank you very, very, very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's the nicest thing that anyone's ever done for me. It sounds a bit bizarre, but things the way they are, I feel as if another life's begun for me. And if I had a cannon, I would fire it to add a sort of celebration touch. But since I left me cannon at home, I simply have to say thank you very, very, very much. Thank you very, very, very much. Marie's a jolly good fella. Marie's a jolly good fella. Marie's a jolly good fella. Very much. Thank you very much. That's the nicest thing that anyone's ever done for me. It isn't every day good fortune comes me way. I never thought the future would be fun for me. And if I had a bugle, I would blow it to add a sort of as your father's touch. Since I left me bugle alone, I simply have to say thank you very, very, very much. Thank you very, very, very much.
No, dear friends, it is I who should thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's the nicest thing that anyone's ever done for me. The future looks all right. In fact, it looks so bright, I feel as if they're polishing the sun for me.
And if I had a drum, I'd have to bang it to add a sort of rumty-tumty touch. But since I left me drummer at home, I simply have to say